guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Megan Yvonne. If you're new, if you are returning, thank you. I so appreciate it. I'm so glad to have you back. If you want to see how I got this look, not necessarily the hair, I just straightened the hair with a straightening iron with a flat iron. But if you want to see how I got this makeup look, please stay tuned. This is my go-to makeup look when I'm trying to figure out, well, what am I going to wear? What's the vibe? Is it going to be casual? Maybe even if it's a little formal, I just might do a few little tweaks, add a few more like liner or, but this is my go-to look. And it's simple. It's fairly easy to complete. It doesn't take a lot of time, but it makes you look like you put in a ton of effort. So anyway, if this is something you're interested in, please go ahead and stay tuned. Let me tell you, so I thought I was recording and I wasn't, but I'm gonna just explain to you what I did when I thought I was recording. So I used the Laura Mercier translucent powder in the shade Deep, and I went around my whole face and set it. Then I went in with my NYX brow gel, and I did my set my brows. And I was just going and filling my brows in a bit, or just really like outlining them with my Benefit eyebrow pencil. And that's how far I've gotten. I'm so glad that I noticed now versus like all the way deeper into the video. I'll go and I will go in with my foundation. This is my go-to look. It'll help me get my face completed and finished in minimal amount of time. I can do this look fairly quickly. And if you're just starting at makeup, it's okay that, you're like, oh, I'm not as quick, or, it takes me a long time. That's okay, because, as you learn your face and you learn what products to use and what products you like, it'll go much faster. So I'm just gonna go on and put on my foundation. I'm using the NARS Soft Matte Complete Foundation. What is it called? Yeah, Soft Matte Complete Foundation. I love this foundation. It's been a favorite since I discovered it, and I just really like it. So I'm just gonna go in with that. And because I've put the translucent powder down, it's setting pretty quickly. So another tip, I don't really pack a lot of product under my eye, just to help with creasing and just to prevent a lot of product on my face. And my mirror is just right here in front of me, so if you see me like looking off, that's why. But yeah, as you get, what I was saying, like if you're just starting with makeup, as you get to know your face, as far as like what products that you really enjoy, it'll make the process go a lot faster. Next, I'm gonna just go in with my concealer. Then I'm gonna go in with my Fenty. Ooh, that was a lot. Oh, I just love the feeling of a fresh beauty blender. I want to brighten up just a tad. I'm just going to do there, and then I'll go in under my go ahead and start shaping my eyebrows. And again, this is a NARS product too. This is their Soft Matte Concealer, I believe it is. So this is where I talked about before multi-use products. So I'm just gonna go in with my bronzer, and I'm gonna also use that as eyeshadow. Whoop. I'll just do like a light sweep like this, like a slight nose contour. And I'm not really being precise with it. I'm just putting like just some color in the eye, like where my eyelids are. And then I'm gonna go in with my fluffy brush. Tap, 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 and really like work it in the crease. And that's gonna look like, oh, she did some eyeshadow. When really it's just bronzer. On that setting, I'm doing a little bit like a slight bake, but then I'm just gonna take my highlighter. So, but just like a shimmer eyeshadow will work, or like any type of shimmer highlighter, and I'll just pop that on the inner corner, kind of sweep it up. Because you want it to serve as like a, just to kind of brighten the inner area of your eye. Again, I didn't even go in with any primer or anything, because this is just like a quick look. It's taking me a little longer because I'm like talking through this, but I can do this pretty quickly if I wasn't talking. If I wasn't talking, I could be rolling through. Not talking and like explaining the methods behind my madness, or the reason that I'm doing these things. And then I'll just go back in with that other brush that I just used, and it still has like the bronzer on it, and just kind of make it look more seamless, like it's just kind of like melting into each other. And that's it for the eye. I'm going to blend all this out. Blend, blend, blend. And then I'm going to use the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Airbrush Skin Perfector Micro Powder. She has a new one out. And I think it looks like it's basically the same thing, because these were meant to be for like, you know, setting your whole face, but I use it for setting my under eye, or, well, not even setting, brightening. I don't think I've ever tried this alone. I'm gonna go in and set my face. Kind of blend all those products, make sure it's not too bright. Then I'm going to go in with my liner, and I can kind of do my wing, but it really just depends on the day whether or not I'll do a wing or whether I won't. So that's what we have, and I'm going to go in with some mascara. Put some on my natural lashes. And if you want to, if you're not a lash girl, you could actually stop right there and do a lip and you'll be finished. But I just like lashes, so I'm gonna put on a lash, but I'm gonna let that dry out for a bit. Dry down, not dry out. Dry down. Just a quick spritz while I'm waiting. So I might be out of frame because I'm going to be leaning in to put my lash on. I forgot blush. So 2 lip combos that you can either do is a nude lip or like a bold lip. For me, I love a bold lip, so I'm more inclined to choose like a red. If you haven't seen that video, I did a video on my top reds that I have in my collection and reds that you need. I will link that video below as well and in the cards, but you can also do a nude lip. I'll be back with the finished look. Hi guys, so this is the final look. Yes, like I said, this is like my go-to makeup look when I don't know what I'm gonna wear. I figure it can go with anything, and then most of the time I'll wait to do my lip. I know I said earlier I'll go for a bold lip, like a red lip, but I'll wait to do my lip, and then when I figure out like, okay, this is what I'm gonna wear, then I can choose my lip based on that. So it may be a pink or maybe a red. Or it just may be a nude. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you haven't already, click like, please share, and subscribe. Comment down below. I would love to chat with you, and I would love to have you join the family. I hope that you are happy and healthy and safe wherever you are. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video.